the sum of n term of AP. How to find sum of n term of AP? Suppose the first term of AP, first term of AP is A, and common difference is D. Then A1, first term, A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to A plus B, first term plus B. Same way, A3, A plus 2D, A4, A plus 3D, and so on. Then An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Now adding this by column, then we have A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on, An is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D plus so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now take all A together and suppose this represented by Sn, and take all A together. So then it is A plus A plus A plus so on up to n. And same way take all D together, so it becomes D plus 2D plus 3D plus so on n minus 1 into D. Now from Sn, if we add A n time, then the sum become A into n, plus take D common from here, so it become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n minus 1 into D. Now we know that if we have sum of n natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on plus n, then the value of it n plus 1 by 2. This is sum of n natural number. Same way, if we have A dot n plus D, and this is n minus 1, this is up to n minus 1. तो जब ये बेटे ये n तक था, तो यहाँ पर n आते हैं, यहाँ पर n minus 1 है, तो यहाँ पर आएगा n minus 1 and into then n plus 1, one more term than it. तो n minus 1 से एक आगे की टर्म क्या होगी? n. तो it is n or by 2. Now A dot n or plus nd n minus 1 upon 2. From this we take LCM of it, so it becomes Sn is equal to, these two come to that side, 2an plus n minus 1 into D whole upon 2. Then Sn is equal to, take n by 2 common, so we have 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for n term. ये बेटे n term के लिए formula drive हो गया कि how can we find the formula to find the sum of n term. And if we change this formula like this, 2 into a plus n minus 1 into D. So you look here, this portion become an, ये portion an और last term, and a plus n minus 1 into D, it is the last term of AP. So then we can also write it like this, n by 2 into a plus an, it is ये, or sometimes we write it n by 2 into a plus l. This is the formula for sum of n terms of AP. Then how can we use this formula? Let me take an example for it. एक example लेते हैं हम जहां पर we use this formula. हम इस formula को use करेंगे. Suppose a question is, we have a series 164, question है 164 comma 160, comma 156, so on are in AP. Are in AP. Find, he say find which term is equal to 0. Which term is equal to 0. And in the second part he asked, first part and second part he asked the sum of first 20 term. The sum of first 20 terms. फिर इसमें दोनों फॉर्मूले यूज होंगे. इन फर्स्ट केस वी हैव फाइंड विच टर्म ऑफ a इज इक्वल टू 0. तो a इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा बेटा इसमें? a इज इक्वल टू 164 and d is equal to 160 minus 164. As earlier I told you कि second term minus first term is equal to d, और that is यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा d is equal to second term minus 4 d. Let an term is 0. an term is 0. मान लीजिए इसकी an term 0 है, then उस केस में हमारे पास क्या होगा? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. ये हमने जनरल टर्म का फॉर्मूला यहाँ यूज करेंगे. इन प्लेस ऑफ an we put 0 is equal to a 164 plus n we don't know और d minus 4. तो it become minus 164 is equal to minus 4 n minus 1, and 4 से इसे डिवाइड करेंगे बेटे. 4 4 जा 16, 4 1 जा 4, minus 41 is equal to minus n minus 1. ये माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल, ये 1 इधर आ जाएगा, तो n is equal to 41 plus 1, that is n is equal to 42. तो the 42 term is 0. इसकी 42 term 0 होगी. Same way in second part he say the sum of first 20 term, and we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can also write it as 20. In place of n we put 20. He say that first 20 term, so here general term is 20. So S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into 2a. A, what is value of a? 164. 164 plus n minus 1, यानी 20 minus 1 और into minus 4. d कितना है बेटा? minus 4. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 से इसे डिवाइड किया 20, 10 into 2 4 जा 8, 2 6 जा 12 और 1 कैरी, 2 6 जा 12, 1 कैरी और 2 1 जा 2 और 3 328. ये बेटे माइनस साइन है, तो माइनस 4 इंटू 20 माइनस 1 19. तो 10 इंटू 328 माइनस 19 4 जा 76 एंड 10 इंटू बेटे 8 में से 6 लेस किया 2, यहाँ बचा 12, 12 में से 7 लेस किया 5 और 2. योर आंसर इज 220. इट इज योर आंसर. तो दिस इज द सम ऑफ n term or 20th term. So this way we can find the sum. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also share it. Thank you.